A quick one, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make alarm louder on iPhone. So if your iPhone alarm sound level is low and you want to increase it, whether by using the volume up button to increase the ringer or the volume down button to control the alarm sound ringer, here is all you need to do. So the first thing you want to do here is go to your iPhone settings. Once you're on the iPhone setting, you need to scroll down and click on sound and haptic. So once you click on that, then you'll be taken to where you have access to the ringtone and alert. Literally, this is what I do whenever I want to increase my alarm sound volume using the volume up or volume down button. I make sure I increase this top like this. So once I put that at the top level, then you literally on your own, the option to change the alarm sound volume using the volume up or volume down button will be disabled. Then I prefer to turn this on. So once that is turned on, you should see the volume button can be used to adjust the volume of the ringtone and alert. This is not going to affect your iPhone alarm sound alone. It's going to affect the ringer such as call and other notification sound. So once I'm done with that, you can just come down to lock sound and make sure you enable this. Once this is enabled, no one will be able to reduce your alarm sound volume. So and this will make the alarm sound louder. Now let's come to the home page and let's say you want to increase your alarm sound volume now using the left or right volume button, up and down volume button. All you need to do is just press it just like this. You should see that, and then the ringer will come up. Then you can also use it to adjust it, and you see the ringer comes up. So this is how to make alarm louder on your iPhone. So I'm just going to go ahead now to play you this particular alarm. After I'm done with that, then come to clock, then tap alarm, tap sound, then let's say lonely. You saw that? So this is how to make your alarm sound louder on iPhone. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button, of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.